You're back with me, I'm back with you for this final episode of the season. I'm trying my best to be excited about it, I'm trying my best to not think about Nairobi, I'm trying my best to be excited because I think that Raquel just right there, she was saved by El Professor men, or she's gonna be saved by some men of El Professor by attacking this car or something like that. And by the fact that we have Gandia now and we can hurt him bad now and we can do something really bad to him because now we have him, you know. And the fact that at the beginning of the last episode they thought that it was Gandia, but I think that it was someone else because it's a part of a plan to evacuate them and all of that. Tac, that's it. I have hope, you know, I have hope. I'm still mad, I'm still sad. I still need time to mourn Nairobi a lot. I can cry at any time during this episode again, but at least now I have hope. That's better, you know, to finish the season with that. And I made myself a coffee because really I need one because I was feeling so depressed after the 3 last episodes, you know, that I watched today together. I need a coffee, really to get me excited again about this show. I love these shows, of course I'm excited to watch it, but because of what happened during the episode, the excitement is slowing down, you know, so I need to get it back a lot. Let's go for this episode 8, the last one of this season, and then we're gonna have to wait for how long. If you know when the next seasons are gonna come, please tell me that on the comments. Let's go for this final episode. Thank God for the coffee. Me each morning. My emotions are so lost that I can't even be sad like I am when they are showing Berlin each time. Oh, you're not nice with him, you know that he's in love with you. That's sweet. You're playing with his feelings. Oh. But because of you, Nairobi died. I was loving him because of that, I was loving Palermo because of that, of how much he loved Berlin. And I thought that you were not gonna betray us because of that, but you did. And Nairobi died because of you. Oh, I'm getting so hard to not smile. I'm breaking his heart. That's why you were not there during the first plan. You want to take revenge because of that? Palermo? Oh, you're playing with his feelings. You can't say that. Oh, it's really when you're breaking up with someone and you don't want to say that you don't love him, like, oh, I don't love you enough and all of that. Come on, that's excuses. Yes. She's gonna betray Pietro, you know. She's not gonna give up. Yes! Hija de puta. She's gonna say that this is you. She doesn't care about money. She cares about her image. And she's telling the truth. Again, the truth is winning. No. No? Why? To not lose people, you know, by killing someone. He killed Nairobi. He almost killed each one of them. She's not gonna give up. She's not like that. She's crazy. You should know that about her. She shot Nairobi, so I'm not gonna be on her side, like rooting for her and all of that. No, she shot Nairobi. I remember that. So it was not your man. But a king? Ah! Please, take her. He's alive and he's conscious. Great. Why do you need him alive? To tell those things, you know, into the radio, the things that we heard at the beginning of the last episode. That's my thought. But I understand that you have a plan to do. You need him. I'm sorry, I'm on her side. For once, I'm on her side. I couldn't deal with it neither. I know that. Yes. Also. He didn't kill him. He did not. I thought that we were done with that. But I'm glad that we are not. They need to mourn now. You're letting her taking care of him. That picture is beautiful. Oh, you're gonna understand that they have one of you. Oh, you're understanding it. What are you gonna do, you crazy woman? She's changing her identity for what? No, she's not with us. She shot Nairobi. She's not with us. See, I'm gonna have trouble, really, to forgive you. I have really trouble to understand his character. Please be honest, be sincere with that. You planned that? What you saying it? Why? know you're a waste of my time and energy. Julia?
Vas a dejar ese jefe de mesésima solo en los próximos 3 segundos.
¿Quién coño eres? Si se puede saber.
Manila, agente infiltrada de la banda.
Pues mira, aparte esa pistola es de las que nos da de mentira.
Oh, please. Shoot him.
Estoy empezando a perder la paciencia.
Yeah! That's what I wanted. Really? You're lying even into that position? Finally! I hope that we are not gonna see him again during this episode. I'm tired of him.
Minutos más tarde, me encontró la matrícula.
What can you do with it?
Habremos terminado de perforar los 11 metros y 68 centímetros de nuestro túnel y por fin accederemos al parking.
That's a music like to James Bond movies, you know?
Los vigilantes verán una grabación.
Haha, that's Speed movie.
Coño de fiesta estás montando con una cerveza sin alcohol. Quiero hacer amor hoy. Con alcohol. A esa hora esto va a salir de la prisión de Soto del Real de custodiada por el mismo policía de cumplimiento. Mejor una diferencia. Vosotros ya estaréis aquí.
¿Dónde?
Habéis construido una pared falsa. Tócate los cojones.
What?
Y llega el momento de David Copperfield. ¿Cómo sustraer?
Ha llegado tu momento. Ahora vas a ser dueño de tu destino. Vida o muerte.
Morte.
Que también es nadador.
That's what we
Pero
heard
vas a aprovechar el placer
at the beginning of the last episode.
entonces haré.
I'm sorry. He's gonna do it. We heard him do it. He's gonna do it. But it was not you. It was... Which one of you? Tokyo, maybe? Or Denver?
Es que en esta ocasión mismo no tardará más de 20 minutos en regresar al parque.
Because she's not gonna
Insistirán.
talk anymore.
He decidido que no voy a declarar.
Señor Aburrido, había sentido el nombre de
She changed her mind.
se vuelva atrás.
Magic trick.
La señal será. Buenos días.
No. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ta, 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 ta. Just buenos dias, it's enough. Oyo! To do what?
Si deciden variar la ruta o si dan la más mínima señal de alarma, esto nosotros vamos a darles a otra Lisboa.
Oh girl.
En ese momento tendremos a alguien bateando a toda velocidad por ese túnel.
We have Lisbon back. One entire season to have her back. Whew. Alicia, you know, where is she now and what does she know about our plan, about where you are? Ah. She's so crazy. And she's clever. I said that I wanted to see all of that. I'm seeing it now. With Lisbon into it? So we're gonna have 4 of you outside of the bank?
De forma que cuando ellos quieran hablar con su helicóptero, seremos nosotros los que responderemos.
Well done. So it's gonna be Denver. But yes, now like we can kill one of them. Please do it, Tokyo. Come on, Denver. You're in? I thought that the plan was to get Denver out. The plan was to have her inside? Ooh. Do we still need him or not? If not, really, just kill him, I don't care. Oh, I hope that we don't need it anymore. Listen to him. Connect. Ding 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 ding.
La situación parece engañosa.
She's in. I don't understand what the plan is, but yes! It's better, you know, to have her in, maybe, with them. Because they were tracking her.
Esta guerra
Just began.
vamos a ganar. Por mi nombre.
Don't do that to me! Alicia? She found you. The episode is gonna end with that. The season is gonna end with that. You're not gonna kill him. You're not someone like that. You're crazy and all of that, but you're not a killer.
Que mate, hijo de puta.
The end.
Esta mañana me levanté.
Okay, we didn't have, you know, anything like she didn't shoot him, and I don't think that she's gonna shoot him. I mean, okay, you're gonna say to me that they shot Nairobi because of her and all of that, but she didn't do it herself. She's not a killer. Herself, she's not a killer. She wants to win. She doesn't want to kill. Do you understand what I mean? She's not gonna kill him, but that's bad. You know that she is with him now. I'm exhausted. I think that I'm gonna take a nap. After finishing this review, I think that I'm gonna take a nap. I'm exhausted. Too much tension, like 1 hour being like that. Ah. The plan was to have Lisbon into the bank. I really didn't think about that. I really thought that the plan was to have one of them outside of the bank to do something, I don't know. Maybe it's better to have her in, you know, because she was arrested and they released her, but to have her joining the professor, maybe it would be a mistake, maybe it would be something to put him in danger and all of the plan in danger. That's great to have all of them together. Them telling that they're gonna win that war for Nairobi, it killed me. Really, the last tears before saying goodbye. Alicia, she's not gonna kill him, she's not gonna kill El Professor. I really don't think so. But you know, she wants to win. She's an ambitious woman. She's crazy and all of what you want, but she's more ambitious than dangerous. She doesn't care about the money, and that's why she said the truth, you know, during that conference with the journalist. She said the truth because of that, because she's ambitious and she cares about her image, but not about the money. So what can she do now that she has El Professor with her? I mean, if she's calling the police, like, she is under arrest right now, so if she's calling them, maybe that's not enough for her. I'm really trying to understand what can she do, be into the next seasons for the professor with El Professor, can she do something? But you know what we learned about her background and all of that? It's the fact that now she's all alone, she's all by herself. She lost her husband, her companion, because of cancer. When she's going back into her home, she's all alone. She said that to Lisbeth. She had nothing to lose, and that's why she decided to do all of that, to go against the government and against the police, to continue her own research. She decided that because she has nothing to lose and she just wants to win. To stop them, to stop us, I mean to stop the group, to stop the robbery. So I think that it's her main goal above all. I don't know. Can they manipulate her? Can they have her on their side? I'm not gonna accept that, you know, I'm not gonna accept her with us. I'm conflicted. About Palermo, I'm really conflicted. I spent all of the first half of the season as the one who was defending him, who was saying that no, he had a plan, no, for sure, he was not gonna betray us because he was respecting Berlin and all of that. And I spent all of the second half of the season being disappointed about him and what he was doing and not understanding him, his goals, why he was doing what he was doing at the moment that he was doing it. Like, we had so many different faces of him during this season. I didn't follow him at all. I didn't understand him at all. I lost him totally during this season. And again, because of him helping Gandia, Nairobi is dead. The moments that we had with him during this episode were nice, but that's not gonna make me forget and forgive him. We'll see during the next seasons what is gonna happen with him. Gandia, is he dead or not? Like, I think that maybe he is. Like, they punched him, they hurt him real bad. Like, I think that he's dead, no? After finishing to film that review, you know, I'm gonna make my research. Finally, like I said, I never made research between the season 3 and the season 4 to avoid to have spoilers. When are we gonna have the next season? If you know that, please tell me, because again, I'm not making any research, so I'm gonna make my research right now, but maybe I'm not gonna find this info. So if you have it, please tell me that on the comments. When are we gonna have the next season? I think that again, it's gonna be 2 parts which are gonna work together, and we need that, you know, to end all of that robbery, to have all of the gold out of the bank, to have them out of the bank, all of that. Alicia now with El Professor, what is she gonna do? We need really 2 seasons, in my opinion. 2 parts of 1 season. You understood me with that. But that was great. That was what we are expecting, you know, when we are watching La Casa de Papel. We are expecting to have good moments with them being happy and all of that. We are expecting to have funny moments. We are expecting to have emotional moments. We are expecting to have action moments, tension moments. And I was really expecting also to lose someone during this season. You saw it, I said it a lot. I don't know, I can't remember in which episode, but I said it a lot, that I was suspecting that we were gonna lose someone, but really not Nairobi. But yes, for La Casa de Papel, that was great. It's like that. Okay, I'm gonna end this video right now. I hope that you liked this binge watching of the show with me. If you liked it, please tell me that on the comments, and please stay with me for the next seasons of La Casa de Papel. I'm making reaction videos for other shows, you know, maybe you can be interested by some of them. Right now I'm making reaction videos for The Walking Dead and Westworld, and I'm binge watching also The Last Kingdom and Battlestar Galactica. But I made, and I'm gonna make also reaction videos for Stranger Things, for The Expanse, for Vikings. I made reaction videos for Game of Thrones, for the last season of Mr. Robot, for The Witcher, for The Boys, and a lot of them. If you're interested, go check my channel. You know, I made a playlist for each shows that I'm making reaction videos for, or for which I made reaction videos, so go check that if you are interested by staying with me or by watching my reaction videos about other shows. And I hope that you enjoyed that, you know, that moment with me, to rewatch the show with me. I hope that you liked it. Okay, It's all for La Casa de Papel for today, for this season 4. And it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.